Hi, this is Dr. Sarah Kenner from Whistler Medical Aesthetics, and today I'm just going to talk a little bit about the Canfield Intelli Studio, which has been a new addition to our clinic here in Whistler. So for a long time we'd had the Visia from Canfield, and we used that for all the before and afters on any of our skin treatments, whether they be laser or facials or any kind of skin treatments we were doing to help improve pigment, vascularity. And you can see all those different things on the Visia, and we just loved the quality of the before and afters and the standardization that we could get with the Visia. And then we just felt that some of our other pictures, for example, when I'm doing more facial contouring for my filler treatments with soft lifts, and also for the body contouring, that we just weren't getting the same levels of standardization. And that makes a huge difference if you're trying to make a powerful before and after picture. Having standardization and being able to get the exact same angle makes a huge difference. So we spoke to Canfield and they told us about the Intelli Studio. And when we looked at the Intelli Studio, we found that it really provided us with everything that we wanted. So we can achieve a standard distance from the camera to enable the pictures to look as reproducible as they can be between before treatment and after treatment. It's also got several features that I love that can really help us if we're trying to look in detail at people. We love the fact that the light is standardized. If you use iPads, what we tended to find was the lighting could change hugely. Even in the same room, with the same kind of lighting in place, the colors could be different. Whereas with the Canfield, the lighting is standardized, which makes a big difference. The other thing we found is that it's very versatile if we want to look at results in more detail. So for example, we can zoom in, we can measure different contours. For example, recently I had a patient who felt that her nose now looked bigger after the treatment. And when we measured it, we could show that actually her nose was looking smaller since we treated her. But without that level of detail, it will be difficult to be able to kind of answer those patients' concerns. The other thing we found is that I can look at the same level of detail that I can on my Visia on my pictures on the Intelli Studio. So for example, if we want to look with different filters to see different things, then we can do that. We can see the vascularity, if there are any issues post-procedure, to see if that was there pre-procedure. So I really find that since we have got the Intelli Studio, the levels of pictures that I can produce for my work and also for our body sculpting work has improved 100-fold. And we're really happy that we made this choice to be able to add to our practice.